For an insurance carrier to cover a claim, the claim has to arise from an occurrence that's covered by the insurance policy within the coverage territory during the policy period. I know what you're saying. Mike, it's Insurance 101. Don't insult my intelligence. And yet this week I'm working on a claim where the insurance carrier is disclaiming coverage because it arises from an operation that is entirely excluded from the policy. How did that happen? I'll tell you. So while I can't provide details of the claim, it was a fatality, and the administrator of the estate brought a suit against the owner and GC of the project, which brought a third-party action against the employer of the employee that passed on the project, which provided site safety supervision and inspections. So while typically there wouldn't be an issue with coverage, this policy had an expanded definition of the professional liability exclusion, which excludes coverage for any claims that arise out of their operations as a professional organization like an architect or an engineer. The policy excluded any claims that arise out of job site safety supervision and inspection. I don't know why those operations were excluded from the insurance policy, but now it's giving that carrier an opportunity to disclaim coverage for a fairly large fatality. The moral of today's story is to communicate with your broker and make sure that your operations are reflected on your policy regardless of what you do. Call me to make sure that your operations are covered by your insurance policy, and as always, stay covered, my friends.